3, 2, 1, and it's done! Here it is, boys and girls. The end result of my efforts. The fruits of my labor since 5:30 in the morning.
Okay, let's just see it.
When this hand was inside the cavity of a 26-pound
Superb.
turkey. We'll see the end result of the fruits of my labor. And there it is, the breast down turkey.
Woohoo! I think it's burnt.
What? Honey, what do you think? The bacon?
Bacon?
Bacon.
Oh my god! Bacon on top too? What say you, Mama Turkey?
We got the turkey, we got some ham over here. Some ham. Some stuff on noodles.
Well, Turkey King?
Is that 170?
Where's it supposed to
guy.
be?
175 for dark meat, 160 for breast. Oh, ouch.
Me think it's okay.
Think it's alright? No.
Well, happy Turkey Day. Ah! You totally blocked the...
Drop my ass. Ah, the turkey bark is falling off the bone.
Oh my gosh! Wow, there it is. The end product, right there.
Get a picture. See, that turkey is
Woohoo! How it tastes?
What? We'll see.
We are yet to find out. Look at the bacon on top of the turkey. Woohoo!
Everything popped.
Yum, 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 yum.